Hi, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 9 of my Lego Optimus Prime build. So I think this is mostly done. There's still 2 bags, so we'll see what those build. There's some accessories and whatnot, so we'll get those together and put them on Optimus. There he is. There we go. These are all 4. Lots of trans orange and some trans pink purple. I think that's some sort of purple. I heard Lego doesn't call it pink. So we got nice colors there. Anyway, let's start putting these together. So put 4 of these on here. What is this gonna be? Here's that. And this is the right one? Or is it a colored one? Oh, it's the trans orange one. It's supposed to go on the bottom. Okay. And then this is supposed to go here, and the gray one goes on the front. Hold it in. Did I do it the right way? I think so. There's some writing here though. The Matrix of Leadership is an artifact of great power. Passed from one Autobot leader to the next, it is thought to be connected to Primus, the creator god of all Transformers. So that is going to be interesting. Oh, that's it. That's just the piece there. And it says the Matrix of Leadership bestows upon its holders increased power which can be used to perform miraculous feats of creation and destruction. So that is showing it goes right in here. You know, it holds in those. Oh, okay, in those. Now it's not holding solid, but it's supposed to snap. Oh, there's nothing to snap. So yeah, I don't think it snaps. Okay, it closes. So now what's this gonna be here? Use all the trans purple stuff. All of them. And stack them. Stack them all up. And 2 tiles on the top. Okay. Oh, no. An Energon cube is a safe and convenient way of storing and transporting Energon, the most prominent fuel food used by Transformers. So just this there. Now we have whatever this is going to be. Here we put 2 of these axle interfaces on that way, and then one that way. And I'm going to put some clips on the top. Very orange. The slope, another axle interface. And then this with a trans orange plate in between and a trans orange stud on the bottom, and hook this all together. Okay. And then we take some these golden rods, stick them in the middle here, and then take these two of these big orange things, and stick them on the side there. There we go. Okay. Now we take this red axle and put them in to that axle piece there. To these, the yellow collar. Okay. Now we take this yellow axle piece, axle interface, put it there. Technic piece there. Okay. This is going on top. Then we got some trans clear, these trans clear slope things go on the other orange, trans orange. Oh, we got some more words. Optimus first used his iconic Energon axe in his duel with Megatron atop the Sherman Dam in the G1 episode, More Than Meets the Eye Part 2. Oh, so this is his axe. Flip it upside down here. Put the trans orange round part here, and then we take the two other big orange kind of fire things, put them on either side, and then that goes like this. Oops. Okay. It's gonna be a little bit flimsy right now. Okay, now we have this and a couple of these. And that hooks onto here. These I need a here, put that plate goes here. Optimus Prime only used his Energon axe once in the original cartoon, but in other media he frequently uses it when dueling Megatron. Okay. Now we flip that over, put that here, and then that clips on to there. Okay, how am I clipping it? Guess it's like that. Now I have this orange piece. Putting that in there, and then we have a little black. Where is that? Little black Technic connector thing. Like this. Didn't fall under. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, and then that goes on the red axle. Okay. Oh, not everything's all the way pushed on. There we go. Now it is. And then what it shows is take his hand off, and then this flips like that, and you put that into the, there's an axle interface in there, and you put that there. There we go. He has an axe. Yeah, then it kind of gets, there we go. I'll put his hand over there. Oh, now his gun. I assume that's what this long axle is for. It's a little bent. Okay, now this, and then we have this kind of black piece here. This plate on top. And jumpers, 3 jumpers to put. And a plate. And 2 light bricks with some the gray circular tile on it. Okay, and then another plate on top of the jumpers. Slope and a brick. One of these bracket things. And put it on there. And then we have this, another bracket, goes like that. And that bracket. So this is going here. Oh, this goes upside down like this. And then this is going on top of here. And then the, oh, this goes in here. This way. Okay. Some writing. Optimus Prime's primary tool in his fight against the Decepticons is his ion blaster. Capable of firing ionized particles, it's particularly effective against electronic devices, including most Decepticons. And that, oh, gotta put a circular plate down there first. And then it goes, it's supposed to go all the way down. Okay, now we got another, put that there, that there, the 1x1 beam, and that goes like that. Okay. Okay, now what is this thing? Got this Technic connector, jumper, 1x1 plate, and a cheese slope. Okay, and that goes on top of here. Okay, and then one of these, or this one? It's one of these, and it goes this way. And then got this. I gotta hook one of these onto there. The Technic piece. And a black stud with a hole in it. And that goes on the middle one. Okay, and then we take this plate on the bottom, a tile with a hole on the top. And then I have another one of these, one of these pins. And that goes on the same third hole. And the other one of these, or no, this wheel piece, and then 3 of these. Is that what it shows? It shows 3 of these. Do they hook together? Oh, they do hook together. And they go like that. And now a 4th one goes the other way with a Technicolor. Hold them together. Hopefully. Oh, that's the ion blaster. That's pretty good. I'd say it's much more interesting than just having a big plastic piece with the actual one, but so that he can hold that. Oh, I see. It snaps into those 2 studs. See, so that's supposed to go down. Okay, there we go. He's got the ion blaster and the axe. Oh, that's it. Those are the weapons and the Energon cube. So, okay, that has been part 9 of my Optimus Prime Lego build. That's what we got done today. Got done the 2 weapons, the axe and the ion blaster. They're pretty cool. And then this Energon cube, which is mostly just a bunch of trans bricks. Anyway, if you'd like to see the last part, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.